Hello, hare and tortoise. Good evening. Let's learn together while we play. The idea is to match the columns, that is to say, in some animal images will appear and in front of them and column with the names of the animals writing in this order. Click on the link. Your children will have to match each images and the corresponding word. You must ask us online to join. For example, image with turtle. Very good. Images. Birds. Very good. Bye.